Worried that your dentist is judging you? Let's talk. Hi, my name is Whitney and I'm a dental hygienist here to talk about feeling anxious at the dentist. Let me start by saying tip number one, if you're worried that your dentist is judging you because of your nervous attitude, I'm here to tell you that they are not. There is a huge difference between a patient who is nervous and anxious versus a patient who is rude and mean. If you are someone with dental anxiety, you have a fear of the dentist and you're worried that we're judging your personality because you might be coming across as rude, we know you're not rude. We know you're just nervous, especially if you tell us, hey, I'm freaking out. I don't mean to be rude. You know, if you say that, we're definitely not judging. We're here to help. Also, if you're someone who is worried about us judging your teeth as opposed to your personality, also don't worry. We love teeth. We love unhealthy teeth and healthy teeth all the same because we are teeth fixers. Of course, we're sad to see anyone feeling discomfort or sensitivity, but we are happy to be there for you to help fix it, to help make your dental problems go away. I just really hope you know that going to the dentist with so-called bad teeth is not something to worry about because, like I keep saying, I really mean it. We want to help you by fixing your teeth. You know, it's our job. We love all the teeth. And even if you don't have many teeth, we love the gums too. We also want to make sure your gums are healthy as well. So please don't avoid the dentist because you're nervous about what they're going to think of you. I'm confident that they are happy to see you because we are always looking forward to transforming smiles and helping our patients get the smile they want. Tip number two, overcoming dental fear. How to overcome dental fear, dental anxiety, dental phobia. It all starts with acknowledging that your feelings are valid. Don't be hard on yourself. I promise you're not the only one who doesn't like the dentist, but I also would bet you that once you find a dental office that you like, that you are comfortable at, your anxiety might start to go away. I've seen it. I've witnessed it with a countless number of my patients, and tip number three will go into more of that. But for the purpose of this tip, number two, don't worry or compare what you're fearful about. Whether it's a teeth cleaning, sometimes commonly referred to as a simple procedure, or if you're stressed about a super involved dental procedure like dental implant surgery, whatever you are nervous about, it is valid. One person's worry is not worse than another person's worry. They are all equally valid. Everyone has different types of fears. Also, just like someone who is afraid of spiders are just not their thing. Some people are afraid of the dentist or of needles or whatever the case. Whatever it is, we can overcome it together because you're not working with a spider. I'm not sure how to overcome the fear of spiders since they can't communicate with you. But when you're working with a human, a dental professional who wants to make you comfortable, we can overcome it together. Maybe your fear is due to past trauma. Maybe something happened to you when you were a kid and it's stuck in your mind. Maybe even your parents put this thought in your mind accidentally when you were a kid. They told you to not be scared, which made you think, should I be scared? Or maybe you're nervous from hearing about someone else's bad experience and you're afraid it will happen to you. Or sometimes it's just the dental office environment in general. The sounds of the dental drills can sometimes make people feel uneasy because of the unknown. Whatever the case, my best advice for overcoming dental fear is to talk with your dental provider, talk with your dentist, talk with your dental hygienist. Let us know what is causing your concern, and then we could talk about strategies and ways to make it better for you. Based on my experience, I've found that the best results in helping anxious dental patients through their appointments is by encouraging them to always be honest and express their concerns beforehand, before we start. If you know the cause of your stress, tell your clinician exactly where your stress is coming from. This way, we are aware and can prepare things that can accommodate your needs in advance and make you more comfortable throughout your appointment. If I were your hygienist and you informed me about your fear, then I could definitely help you through it. Whereas if I didn't know about it, then I wouldn't know how to help. Are you nervous about pain? Are you nervous in general that something might hurt? Or is there a specific tooth that is giving you pain and you're worried that I'm going to touch it and make it worse? If so, let's find which tooth it is so I can be super gentle around that area, and maybe we will take an x-ray of that tooth before you're cleaning to see what's going on. Or are all of your teeth sensitive? If so, let's figure out why they are, and we will give you recommendations on how to reduce the sensitivity. We will figure it out together. There are so many options in dentistry and there's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but communicating your needs and expectations can often help ease your anxiety at the dentist. Again, us healthcare providers, we want you to have a good dental appointment, and we want you to want to come back and continue your care. So telling us what makes you nervous will help. For example, if it's the noises that stress you out, sometimes if you bring headphones, that can help drown out the noises if they bother you. Or maybe you're someone who wants your dental provider to talk with you during your appointment. You want to be distracted from what's going on. If so, that's cool. Just ask. I'll tell you a story. I'll tell you a bunch of stories. Or maybe you want to know exactly what's going on in your mouth. That works too. I'd be happy to tell you about each scaler I'm using and which tooth benefits from which scaler. Or maybe you want silence. You want to meditate and do your own thing, like focusing on breathing techniques. Maybe that's you, maybe not. Whatever it is, just tell us what works for you and we will accommodate you. And if you have no idea which method is going to make you comfortable, just know that's okay too. We can try them all until we find out which one works best. Tip number 3, finding the right office. Having someone work in your mouth can seem very intrusive. And on top of that, a lot of people have trust issues for many different reasons. And us dental professionals, we do not take it personally if you don't like us right away. We totally understand and we are completely willing to work with you. We want what's best for you. That's why we chose the healthcare profession. But if for some reason you're feeling non-genuine energy from your dental professionals, you're not feeling their vibes, maybe you're at a dental office that is not the right fit for you. That happens. It's okay. Finding the right office is sometimes, I compare it to dating. The first choice you found online looked great online, but maybe you weren't into it anymore once you met them. If so, I do have a video called Dental Office Red Flags, which I will link in the description box to help you find the right dentist for you. But truly, there's so many different kinds of offices. Some offices offer therapy animals, some offer nitrous oxide, and some offices are just simply genuine, kind, non-judgmental groups of professionals that want to suit your needs. Whatever you're looking for in a dental office, be sure to ask about it when you schedule your appointment. It can't hurt to say right away on the phone like, hello, what do you offer for your patients with dental anxiety? Flat out say, I get nervous at the dentist. How can you help me? That is such an open, good communication place to start. And tip number 4, worried about the unknown. So some people have told me in the comments of my dental procedural videos that those videos have reduced their dental fear because being exposed to seeing what is going on in their mouths has actually benefited them. I've seen comments like, getting teeth removed today and I'm anxious, but I feel good after seeing this video. I never even realized these procedural videos could help patients. I always thought those videos were more for just dental people who like watching teeth stuff, you know? But I learned that exposure, seeing the unknown, can sometimes help you feel better. It's because they give you a better idea of what's going on in your mouth instead of just assuming the worst the whole time. These comments inspire me to continue making these videos in hopes that I can continue offering dental procedure exposure to reduce dental anxiety. It's not as scary when you know exactly what's going on in your mouth. We all have the opportunity to overcome our fears, and sometimes watching videos, exposing yourself to something you are scared of can be great and it can benefit you. Or maybe not. You know what? Maybe you're not ready for that yet. Or that's not your thing. You're more into the meditation approach, pretending you're not there. All good. You know you best. And if your anxiety and concern about being judged at the dentist makes you too nervous to even step foot into a dental office, you have severe fear, my best advice is to first schedule an appointment with a therapist if you can, so they could help you get to the bottom of why you are scared. And then once you're ready, us dental professionals will be here ready to take care of you and take care of your dental health. I hope this video helped you. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if it did. If you want more Teeth Talk, you can visit my website, teethtalkgirl.com, and hang out with me on Instagram at teethtalkgirl. Peace, love, and teeth.